Hello guys, my name is Mark Lelovic and I'm working in Sygic as Global PR. I'm now going to show you our latest add-on for Sygic GPS Navigation, Cockpit for Android. Before we leave, we have to calibrate it to make sure we have the most accurate numbers from the phone sensors. Here you can see several indicators. Tilt of your car, it is a great prevention against overturning if you are in the terrain. It is always good to know what's your altitude when you are heading to the mountains, as the conditions might pretty much differ, especially in the winter. And last but not least, the compass, heading north, the winter is coming. In the second screen, you have the G-force indicator. If it jumps too much and you have any passengers, it means they are not feeling comfortable right now. Try to keep everything in the middle while accelerating or cornering. What I like most on this add-on is that you can minimize it and check all the numbers while you are navigating. It adds additional screens to the bottom ribbon where normally your ETA is, and you can easily swipe it to get the information you need. So, that's it. See you in the next video. We will introduce a major update for our CarPlay connectivity. Oh, I shouldn't have said that.